In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save an Illustrator file as a GIF in the quickest and easiest way possible. Whether you're creating simple web graphics, light-weight animations, or optimized visuals for your website or social media, exporting your design as a GIF from Adobe Illustrator is a super useful skill to know. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open up Adobe Illustrator and make sure the file you want to export is ready to go. Double-check your artboard size, your colors, and any elements you want included in the final GIF. Remember, whatever is visible within your artboard is what will be exported, so it's always a good idea to clean up any extra elements outside the canvas before you save. Once your design is ready, go up to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then choose Save for Web Legacy. Even though it says Legacy, this is still one of the best ways to export optimized GIF files from Illustrator because it gives you more control over quality and file size. After clicking Save for Web Legacy, a new export window will open. At the top right of this window, you'll see a Format drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select GIF as your file format. As soon as you choose GIF, you'll notice several settings become available that let you customize how your final file will look. Now, let's quickly go over the important settings. You can adjust the color settings to control how many colors are used in your GIF. Fewer colors usually mean a smaller file size, but it can slightly reduce image quality. If your graphic uses flat colors or simple shapes, you can often lower the color count without noticing much difference. You'll also see options for dithering, transparency, and image size. If your design includes transparent areas, make sure the transparency option is checked. If you need to resize the GIF, you can adjust the width and height directly in this window. Keep an eye on the preview and the estimated file size in the bottom corner, so you can balance quality and performance, especially if the GIF is going on a website. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Illustrator will then prompt you to choose a location on your computer. Select the folder where you want the GIF to be saved, rename the file if needed, and then click Save again. And that's it! Your Illustrator file is now saved as a GIF and ready to be uploaded, shared, or embedded wherever you need it. Just to quickly recap, go to File, then Export, choose Save for Web Legacy, select GIF from the Format dropdown, adjust your settings as needed, click Save, choose your location, and click Save again. Simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.